Honey. Well, you're going to have nice weather anyway. So you just came down for the Christmas fest, huh? You are making it kind of a quick trip. Don't you have any more vacation left?
Right.
Hey, Edward. Edward, last Christmas, did you work Christmas Day or Christmas Eve?
Don't remember. I forget. I sure forget.
I got you scheduled for Christmas Eve this year because I thought you were Christmas Day last year.
Oh, that'll be fine. That'll work.
All right.
Anything you want, especially since you gave me a few days off here.
Well, I'm trying to be I'm trying to be fair between you and Justin. You know,
Exactly.
I thought last year he worked Christmas Eve
Right.
and you worked Christmas Day, so we just kind of turn it around.
Oh, anything you like.
That's right. Happy Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas, guys.
Well,
Yeah, it's a great way to meet women. We've seen by thousands. So you've been pretty busy down there, huh? Well, make sure you see our new show, It's a Wonderful Life. It's down there at Red Gold. There is, sir. Just a smile.